Good morning, students. I myself Divakar Pandey from Kuntinagar Modern English School, Navada, and welcome to you in your e-learning class. Today, I am going to provide you my first video lecture of lesson 6 in civics, and the topic is rural administration. Yes, in this video, we have to study what is rural administration. So now come to the chapter. First of all, we should know what is the condition of village and how many villages are there in our country India. Do you know how many villages are there in India? Yes, there are more than 6 lakh villages in our country India, and taking care of their needs for water, electricity, road connections is not a small task. It is very difficult to fulfill the needs of water, electricity, and road connections at the village level. So, in addition to this, land records have to be maintained, and conflicts too need to be dealt with. A large machinery is in place to deal with all this. It is very necessary to be rural administration. It means in this chapter we have to study the maintenance of rural administration. First of all, in this chapter we study about a story, and in this story there is a farmer whose name is Mohan. Yes, his family owns a small agricultural field which they have been farming for many years. And next to his field, there is Raghu's land, which is separated from his by a small boundary called a bund. So, what is a bund? So, bund is a small boundary that separate two lands. What happened? What happened with Mohan? Now let us study. One morning Mohan noticed that Raghu had shifted the bund by a few feet. By doing so, he had managed to take over some of Mohan's land. It means he captured Mohan's land by its bund and increased the size of his own field. Mohan was very angry but also a little frightened. Why? Because Raghu's family owned many fields, and besides his uncle was also the sarpanch of the village. So whose uncle was sarpanch of the village? Yes, Raghu's uncle. So he was angry, but he was very frightened with Raghu. But even so, he plucked up courage and went to Raghu's house. Why? To complain about this matter. But a heated argument followed, and after this argument, Raghu refused to accept that he had moved the bird. He called one of his helpers, and they began shouting at Mohan and beating him up. Like this, Raghu started to beat Mohan. What happened after it? The neighbors heard the commotion and rushed to the spot where Mohan was being beaten up by the helper of Raghu's. They took him away, and he was badly hurt on his head and hand. He was given first aid by one of his neighbors, and his friends who also ran the village post office suggested that they should go to the local police station about this matter and file a report. Others were doubtful if this was a good idea because they felt they would waste a lot of money and nothing would come out of it. So some people said that Raghu's family would have already connected the police station. Why? Because these villagers were also frightened and they did not want to go to the police station about this complaint. After much discussion, it was decided that Mohan would go to the police station along with some of the neighbors who had seen this incident about his beating. So like this, they went to the police station finally to complain about this incident of beating. Now we come to know about the area of police station. Which type of area is police station? On the way to the police station, one of the neighbors asked, why don't we spend some more money and go to the main police station in the town? We should go to the main police station. One of his neighbors argued about this matter. But it is not a question of money. We can register the case only in this police station because our village in its area of work, explained Mohan. It means what? Do you understand by this? It means police station is that place where any complaint may be filed, the covered area of that police station. So every police station has an area that comes under its control. All persons in that area can report cases or inform the police about any theft, any incident, any accident, injury, fight, etc. So what is police station? Police station is that place which take over an area, and that area which comes under this police station or its control, all persons can go there to file the cases or to complain about any incident like as theft, accident, injury, fight, etc. So it is the responsibility of the police of that station to inquire, to investigate and take action on the cases within this area. It means within its area. So what is the work of a police? Yes, the work of a police to inquire and investigate and take action on the cases within its control area. Now we come to know about the work at the police station. Yes, when the friend or when the friends or neighbors reached the police station that belonged to Mohan, Mohan went to the person in charge, which is also called a station house officer. In short form, it may be called SHO. So what is the full form of SHO? A station house officer. So SHO is the in charge of a police station. So Mohan reached to that SHO and told him what had happened. It means he told all about the incident. He also said that he wanted to give the complaint in writing. The SHO really brushed him aside, saying that he couldn't be bothered to waste his time writing down minor complaints. It means SHO denied about this incident and he denied to write or take his complaint because in the view of that SHO it was only a minor case. Then investigating them, Mohan showed him his injuries, but the SHO did not believe him. So Mohan was very puzzled. Mohan was very puzzled and did not know what to do because he was not sure why his complaint was not being recorded. So he went and called his neighbors into the office. When their neighbors came and argued strongly that Mohan had been beaten up in front of them, and had they not rescued him, he would have been injured very seriously. So, like this, they insisted that the case be registered, and finally, after a large argument, a long time argument, finally the officer agreed and asked Mohan to write down a complaint about his injuries, and also told the people that he would send a constable the next day to investigate the incident. So this is the work of the police or police station to investigate about any matter if there is any incident happened in the area of that police station. Thank you. Have a nice day. In next chapter, we will study about the maintenance of land records, and we should try to know. We will try to know about land records. Thank you. Have a nice day.